we are back with day 3 of my little vacation before I start my new job. Today is Friday, and we have to take Rocky to the vet. I'm whispering because he turned around too because he's behind me. I'm gonna show y'all, and I think I might try to take y'all with me, but I don't know if I'm gonna take my camera or if I'm gonna take my cell phone, because when you take your camera, people ask a lot of questions like, what are you doing, da, da, da. But if I take my cell phone, it's a little more, you know, inconspicuous, and I can kind of get away with it. Because I just want y'all to see how much he weighs. Like I said, Simba is 16.2 pounds. I'm almost positive Big Boy is like 20. Almost positive. So let's do makeup real quick because I got to be there at 12 o'clock and it's now 11:25 and the place is 20 minutes away from me. Yes, do the math. And then I'm going to show y'all how I get him in his carrier. But low-key, I think I need a new carrier because, like I said, he's chunky and I kind of struggle with getting Sim in there. I don't like this color. But it's like, I don't know what color I should be. I didn't want to wear anything real bright. So we're just doing a little light something. And then I got to figure out what I'm doing to my hair tomorrow because I don't know if I have a hairstyle in mind, but we'll figure that out tomorrow. That's not today's business. That's good enough. I want him, right now he's on my bed because he was trying to take a nap, but I'm making so much noise that I woke him up. I want him to kind of stay there so it'll be easy and I don't got to chase him because he will run. When I try to put him in that thing. Simba ran too, and I should have filmed it, but what I did was I took Sam and I put him in the laundry room. So, and I put the carrier on top of my dryer, and then I just kind of like shoved him in there that way. He didn't have nowhere to run because he's in the washroom. But for this one, I'm gonna just close my door. But the only thing is that he likes to run underneath my bed, and if he runs underneath my bed, it's a wrap. Right now he's still in the same spot, so we gotta hurry. We gotta hurry so we can get him in there. Once I get him in there, I'm good. And I just gotta carry him to the car. But he's just so heavy. So Sim is doing well in terms of reacting to the meds that he's taking. He's gotta take amoxicillin twice a day. I feel like I told y'all this. If I did, I'm gonna just cut it out. If I didn't, here you go. Twice a day. And then he's got pain medication that he also takes. Oh, wait. Am I drugging my cat? He's only supposed to take it one time a day, I think. I might have been giving it to him twice a day. I'm going to read the directions. Now that explains why every time I give it to him, my man be knocked. I think I'm drugging him and I don't even realize it. Okay. Yeah. So if it's only one time a day, it's only his second day taking it. So it's not like, you know. But if it's only one time a day, then obviously he won't get any more today. I'll give it to him tomorrow. But I was noticing that. It's like as soon as I give it to him, within 10-15 minutes, his eyes be slumping like, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, what is that? I sound like that TikTok thing. But yeah, I think that's what it is. I think I'm giving him too much of not the amoxicillin, that's definitely twice a day, but I think the pain meds is only supposed to be one time a day. I say he more chill. He calm. My boy is definitely calm. Good, he's laying down now. Okay, good. We gotta get him. Y'all gotta help me get him in this thing. In this carrier. I know he has to get a rabies shot. Sam got one. It's time. They were supposed to get it back in April, the lady told me. I was like, oh, my bad. But they don't go nowhere. They don't go out the house. They're not, you know, outside cats, but still. So they gotta get a rabies shot. And then I want him to get his nails clipped. I can do that at home, but it's a lot harder for me to do it. You know what I'm saying? They don't like to sit still. So I think they charge like $17 to do that, something like that. So why not, right? Let them do their job. Oh, I'm rushing my hair. It's gonna look trash, but I don't care. Cause I don't want to be late. I was late one time before, and I called, and they still canceled my appointment. So I was like, nah, I'm not doing that. Perfume of the day is J'adore. That's what we're wearing. I finally got it back from Aaliyah because she be stealing my stuff. Spray a little of my rice water in, and gotta be careful not to get it on my shirt. I am wearing white today. And y'all see how big my hair gets? Like, this is day 6. So it's a little bit bigger. Well, to me it's a lot bigger because I see my hair every day. It's a lot bigger than what it is when I first washed my hair. Little chapstick, green apple. Very simple. Put it in my pocket and then I'm gonna lose it. I lose my chapsticks every week. Every week without fail. Okay. I'm gonna go set y'all up. No, wait. Let me put my socks on because I gotta be ready to go. I'm gonna put my socks on and then I'll get the carrier, bring it in, put it in the room, close the door, and then I'll set y'all up so y'all can see me trying to put him in here. All right, hold on. All right, so he's right there on the bed and he already is looking around so he knows something is up. Here we go, y'all. Pray for me. This is the cat. No. Come on. I know. He's already hissing at me. Come on, baby. Come on. Y'all see how big he is, right? Right. Inside. Come on. Oh, that was easy. Stop growling. Hey. Now. Stop. Woo! He's growling at me. I gotta get it zipped up. Okay. Oh my gosh. Y'all hear him? Do y'all hear him? Listen. All right. He's pissed. Needless to say. All right, so now we gotta go. And I'm gonna just take my camera. It is what it is. I'm gonna just take the camera and whatever. All right, gotta hurry up, get to the car. I'll be back. That kind of went a little bit better than I anticipated. I'm happy I was quick, because you got to be quick with Rock. You got to be swift. Okay, I'm out. Okay, so we made it to the car. Oh my God, he killed my back. He does not want to be in there. I know. But you're okay. I promise you're I know. Y'all hear him, right? I think I'm going to get a stroller. And I always said I wasn't going to be that person that has a stroller for their cats and their dogs, whatever. But guess what? Who's getting a stroller? Because, wow. Okay, baby. Okay. All right. So I'll see y'all when we get inside the place. Okay. So we made it. He's on the table. He's very upset. Rock. Rock. Is Mommy's fat boy? No? Are you still mad at me? Rock. Are you still mad at me? Okay. I'll give you a treat when we get home, all right? Don't curse at me. That's not nice. Oh, no, you didn't. All right, when they come in here and take him out, I'll turn the camera back on. But I don't want to take him out right now because I feel like he's going to run. Oh, my goodness. I told you he's huge. Hi. Hello, dear. Oh, hi. Hello. There we go. I told you it was okay, Rock. You're perfect. Okay, let's get the weight scale on. Hello. Hi. I'm going to tilt it just a little bit. Okay. Just to help him out. Whoa, I know. Rock. Oh, I know. Don't do that. Let's send some happy endorphins. Now you don't want to come out? There we go. Come on. He's coming. There we go. There we go. He's holding on with those back legs for sure. He is. And there we go. There he is. Perfect. Okay. All right. Oh, yes, you are. He's huge. Big. Yes, I know, Pumpkin. I'm so sorry. Perfect. 100.9. Okay. This is what I want to see. Yes. Oh, okay. You're okay. Okay. No cheating. There we go. Come on. There's no way he weighs less than 10. Yeah. Let's see. Hold on. I mean, he could be a little airy. Let's see. Really? Let's tear it. Okay. Make sure it's completely at 0. Okay. Come on, Rock. Hold still, baby. We just want to see your weight. Okay. Please. 2 seconds. There you go. There we go. That's more like it. Yeah. I knew it. 20 point. I keep saying 0.4. So we're about 20 and a half. That's a big boy. He's a big boy. He's so cute. Oh my gosh. You're perfect. You can go in there for a little if you want to. Let me put it down for you. There we go. Oh, stop. You're so dramatic. I get it. Oh. You didn't even get the shot yet. You're fine. Rock, rock. 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 You did so good, baby. Now you're chilling up there with your weight showing. Rock. Rock. Rock, I know you hear me. There you go. The people say hi. They want to talk to you. You like your scale? Hmm? All right, so clearly I was right. I said 20 pounds and he's 20 pounds. So now we're just waiting for the doctor to come in here. Okay, so they just gave him his rabies shot. I didn't film that because it was a different doctor that came in here, so I didn't want her to feel like whatever. But he growled, but they had him like wrapped up in a towel, like a pink towel. So it was all right. He got the rabies shot on his right hip. They took him in the back now so they can go ahead and clip his nails. She was like, yeah, he's a big boy. He's a big boy. She was like, maybe, because I asked her about the food, and she was like, maybe you could just get like an automatic feeder, and then they'll get like multiple small meals a day versus just the 2 meals. Even though I don't feed them a lot of food, I don't know. So I'm kind of picky about changing their food though, because they don't like everything. Like I've changed their food 3 times and they only seem to eat one thing. Right now they eat the meow mix, the dry food. So I'm just telling y'all this in case anybody's a cat owner and you want to know. But that's it. So yeah, he just got to get his nails trimmed and then we good. We can go home. I'm gonna eat some lunch and then I'm going to the gym because y'all know that I'm off. I go to the gym early now, like super early, where it's nice and empty. I got legs today, so I'm gonna go home and eat some tacos so I can get some protein, get some stamina, and then I'm gonna chill. Yeah, I'm gonna chill. All right, see y'all the next time I pick up the camera. Oh, and I forgot, the doctor said she liked my sneakers. Let me show y'all what sneakers I'm wearing today. These are the ones I'm wearing. AJ bought me these for Christmas, I think. This past Christmas. Yeah. Or Mother's Day, I'm not sure, but I think it was Christmas. Okay, so I don't know what I thought I was doing. I never picked up the camera that day. I don't think I touched it for like the next 2 days. I'm not really sure. I'll have to go back and look at the edits, but I realized when I was editing this particular video that I did not film an outro for y'all. And I know it's not a big deal, but for me it is because I like to tell y'all bye. So yeah, I don't know who I thought I was. Anyway, I'm jumping on here. Future started. Tell y'all goodbye. Rock was fine when he got home. Simba was growling at him because he can smell like all and like the vet stuff on him and the medicine and all of that good stuff. So he was growling and hissing at him. That lasted for about 2 days, but they're good now. Everything is great. I'm back to work finally, but that's a whole nother video. We'll get into that another time. But while I was on vacation, I did film for y'all a lot, so we got a lot of content, which is great. And that's really it. I know this is a short video, but it is what it is. It was only about Rocky. It was not about me. By the way, that's his real name, Rocky, but I call him Rock for short. Just depends on if I'm upset with him or not. But yeah, that's it. That's it. So we'll see y'all in whatever video comes up next. I love y'all as always. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. You already know what the deal is.